Hi again. My PCBs arrived from Dirty PCBs, and as promised I'm making a second video to show them. These are the paneled ready-made PCBs. They've got two of the button on each panel because they basically it was half size, so I could make two per. It wasn't really very easy to cut them. I got a kind of an X-Acto knife and cut them. They're passable. The first one didn't come out very good. I cut it a bit weirdly. But anyway, the actual PCB itself, it's very nice. The silk screen is nice. The mask is black. I like it a lot. The SMD components weren't that... well, they were pretty easy to solder, but it was my first soldering job, so they don't really look very pretty. Other than that, I'm really quite satisfied. For $14 for 10 PCBs. That's including shipping. That's amazing. So I'm really glad they did a great job. The silk screen isn't really aligned with the pads here, but you know, I don't care really that much. So this is the final ready for production emergency food button. You can see that it's basically a doorbell button, and there's the actual button here. A label I made for and then inside you have these are the connections for the actual button. You connect them to the PCB. I just soldered them on. I connected the battery to some headers so it's removable, so I can recharge it. And then I kind of bent them so they can go in the connection and they can go in the body because the body wouldn't fit otherwise. This is the enable jumper, which I can just remove and it won't order any food if the jumper is not there. You can see the ESP8266 is soldered on. It's a pretty great fit. It was quite easy to solder actually. It wasn't really that hard. The cables are here. So everything's looking good. It fits in the enclosure really well. So I have to say I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. Let's see if we can try it out and not cut the battery connections. Stick it right here. Push it in there. Okay, so basically what you do is you get your mobile phone. You push the button, the ESP wakes up. You can maybe see that there's a blue light here. I'm not really sure if you can see it. And then a few seconds later you get the notification there on the phone saying that the food is going to arrive. And that's pretty much it. If you press the button, you can see that basically what it does is that it wires the button up to the reset button on the ESP8266. So you press it and the ESP wakes up and it connects to Wi-Fi. That's annoying, I know. And it sends a message through an MQTT to a server running here at the house. And that connects to a Python script on the server, and that Python script orders the food and pushes the notification to the phone using Pushbullet or whatever you want. So that's pretty much it. Now we're going to get a bunch of food coming to the house, but it's okay, we can eat it all. That's it. Thank you for watching.